Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here is my new reverse osmosis water purifier by Airthereal, and I have to tell you all about it. You're gonna love it. This is a great compact water filtration system. What I really appreciate first is the design. It is sleek and fits easily on my buffet here. It has a 6-liter tank, so for our family, this is enough water to last us the day. And like most of us, the quality of our water is important. The system includes multiple stages of filtration, including sediment, activated carbon, reverse osmosis, and post-carbon filters. It removes contaminants like chlorine, heavy metals, and other impurities, and it features an instant hot water dispenser for hot beverages like tea or coffee, but also has an adjustable temperature for baby bottles, and it has adjustable water volume in ounces, and a child lock that prevents accidental operation. There is no setup. You simply put it on your counter and follow the instructions. This filtration system is easy and it is so quiet. It has a back flush design and a notification of the flushing on the screen. We are very happy with this and even plan on taking it with us in our camper for our next trip. So if you are looking for a filtration system that is convenient and efficient, then I would highly recommend this one. And that's my point of view.